Dr. Brad Hannon here with another one of my Met Foundations of Health videos, where I'm teaching you how to move right, eat right, and think right. In this video, I will be discussing herbs, specifically some thoughts we need to consider when taking herbs for their phytochemical and therapeutic properties. Herbs are known to help with a variety of things from our immune system to our digestion and even hormones. When it comes to a better understanding of herbs, it might be best to take a step back and talk about what you already know. Let's talk about apples. You know there are different kinds of apples, red ones, green ones, sweet ones, even sour ones. Some are good for baking. You get the idea, there's different kinds of apples. So when we talk about apples, we have to get specific about what flavor we want and for what purpose. Now let's talk about wine grapes. We all know that wine grapes from Napa have a different property and flavor than from Sonoma versus Italy versus New Zealand. Well, these same principles are true when it comes to herbs. When it comes to taking herbs, we need to appreciate what the research shows to be the right variety and species of the herb for which phytochemical properties. The same herb grown in different climates or countries can have different phytochemical makeup. Once the correct herb is located, the next step is to understand which part of the herb has the right phytochemical makeup. Is it the leaf, the stem, bark, flower, root? Once the variety and species and part of the herb is correctly identified, then we need to make sure the herbs we are taking are the right quantity and purity. This is where many brands have run into trouble. Recent studies have shown top-selling brands not containing the right plant, while some who do contain the right plant often do not contain the right quantity or purity to reach proven therapeutic dosages. I am confident in the herbs we use and sell. Are you in the ones you are taking? So the next time you take herbs for their phytochemical therapeutic properties, apply these concepts and make sure you are taking the right product from the right source in the right concentration. And remember, when you want to feel your best, think Met. How are you moving? How are you eating? And how are you thinking? This can steer you in the right direction to achieve a healthier you.